Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I will tell you about Prophet's companions. Who is the companions? Are those who saw the messenger of Allah with their own eyes and believed in him and that day thereupon. This is the meaning of the companions. I believe that we believe that after prophet that the greatest men in the world are the companions of the prophet. I mean people of the prophet's household and other believers, and we believe that all people believed in the prophet. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Muhammadur Rasulullah wallazina ma'ahu ashidda wal kuffari ruhma'u bainahum. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Muhammad is the messenger of Allah and those with him are forceful against disbelievers, merciful among themselves. This is the meaning of the companions. But few people disagree with the Prophet's companions, and all Muslim with the companions. And all Muslims says these people themselves are excluded from Islam. And I tell you about that. Prophet's companions. Prophet's companions are our soul, my brothers and sisters. This is the meaning of the companions of the Prophet. Assalamu alaikum.